What's up, y'all? Welcome to the show. It started to rain. Wow, we hard rain. Yep. It's a super duper rainy day. Yep. It just started to rain. Yep. Heavy rain. Uh huh. I was waiting for this though. All right. All right. Some bad weather today. Go check the back door. I ain't nothing yet. Nothing yet. I guess I'm a check it out later. All right. Just started to rain, you know. Well, this was the Facebook Live. It just started to rain, but it's a rainy, stormy day, you know. Yeah, that's what it is right now. A rainy, stormy day. Okay. Look like it start to rain and then it's gonna slack up quickly. Well, we'll have to see first, you know. Just left from Acadiana though, you know. My close friend is at work. Yeah, Erica just post a status on Facebook. I'm not even gonna say about it, you know. Oh, Erica, please, what's the matter with you? Every time I don't be around you, is always something you complaining about. Jeez. Well, while it's raining hard, some people at work. The children is at school right now, you know. Yep. Well, some kind of weather we have in the springtime, you know. Raining hard in the springtime always, you know. Getting close to Easter, you know. Yep. Getting close to Easter, you know. Definitely getting close to Easter, you know. Easter is well, not this weekend though. Okay, the weekend after that, you know. It's it's a rainy, stormy day, you know. Yep, heavy rains, you know. It may cause some flooding, you know. How many of y'all like rainy days? Well, all right. So, storming and stuff. Well, the winds ain't blowing yet. You know, look at the trees. Well, look like the wind is blowing. I'm standing under this though. You know, protected from the rain. You know, so yeah, I love rainy days. You know, I hope it warm up. You know, seem like when it rains, it cools down and stuff like that. Wait till the summertime get here, you know. Wait till the summertime get here, then y'all are glad it didn't snow this year so bad like it did in Texas, you know. You know, Louisiana's not used to no blizzards. That's kind of rare. Probably not gonna happen. Probably not in my lifetime, you know. I'll talk about that on the next video, you know. On the next live or video recording or whatever, you know. And Randy TV is going to wrestling in a couple of weeks, you know. And he gonna have a great time. And one person that I'm not gonna mention, and he was featured on my show. I'm not gonna talk about what he do, you know. So we gonna keep that off the show, you know. Let me go check on my back door. Check on my back door. Oh my! Look here. Look at here. I better get this done. All right. I better do some reinforcement right here. All right. It just started, you know, little drippings and stuff. Duh. It started leaking, you know. Let me get this crap out the way. Thank God I don't have no important papers, you know. All right. So I'm checking on my back door, make sure. Oh, it's hard to rain, you know. All right, it's hard to rain in here, you know. Out here, not in here. I'm not inside though. Okay. Yep. One of my best friend and her kids is all right, you know. We'll have to see. But I would encourage my best friend to park on higher grounds, you know. You know. I'm encouraging everybody to park on higher grounds, you know. They already lifted the parking restrictions. You can park on neutral grounds. Do not block intersections and sidewalks and streetcar tracks, you know. Do not block intersections and streetcar tracks or sidewalks, you know. Yep. All right. It's kind of obvious to catch the bus at a time like this, and you know, I do catch the bus on a day like this. Yes, I do. I need to get an umbrella and another raincoat, you know. 2 more raincoats and some rain boots, because I would be catching the bus on a day like this. I caught the bus on a day like this before when I was going to school or doing whatever the heck I wanted to do, you know. Yep, I sure did caught the bus on a day like this. My mama never wanted me to go on the bus on a day like this. You know, I remember when I was a child, it started raining like this. And then my mama say we not going nowhere, you know. Then the rain slacked up a little bit, it drizzled a little bit. We still got on the bus. Rained when we was on the bus. It slacked up when we got off the bus. And then we got to my grandmother. It started raining hard, you know. I remember this bus driver that they used to drive the same club when I was a kid. You know, I'm surprised he remember me when I was a kid. You know, yeah, he remember my mama though. But they haven't saw my mama since the 2000s or something. You know, before Katrina, the beginning 2000s. You know, yep. It's kind of obvious that my mama deceased though. It's very obvious that she deceased. Erica, are you okay? Well, probably stuck at her job or poor, my poor baby. I'm talking about my friend Erica, not my cousin. There's a lot of Ericas I know, but I'm not gonna say where she work at though. Even though they have a lot of stores with the same name, you know, Winn Dixie, Walmart, Costco's, Sam's, you name it, you know, Family Dollar, Dollar General. Okay. My friend Sherelle say hello Sherelle. You know. I know the bad storm passed y'all already. You folks in Acadiana. You know. God, I miss Acadiana, but I love Orleans Parish too. You know. Louisiana's my home, and it'll always be. You know. So I don't know when I'll ever visit Acadiana. Been in Lafayette once or twice. All right. We gotta pray for the people that don't have a place. You know. It's still. Oh yeah. Sherelle just informed me that it's still raining in New Iberia. Are you living in New Iberia, Jeanneret, Broussard, or Lafayette, or Brobridge? Well, she gonna respond back though. Okay. So I'm asking Sherelle where she live in, either New Iberia, Jeanneret, Lafayette, Broussard, or Brobridge. Do she still live in New Iberia? The best city ever, you know, the best town ever, even though they don't got buses, you know. Yes, indeed. I mean, if I was still living out there, I'd be walking everywhere. I don't have no money for a cab or whatever, you know. Even though it'll cost $9 or whatever, you know. Yep. She still live in New Iberia. Yep. So some of my folks still live out there, you know. Not blood related, but I still say y'all family, you know. I mean, I love to travel, you hear me? So some of my friends left the Berry, you know. I don't know who all still stay out there, but anyway, when Domino 7 come to visit, be prepared, okay? I'm gonna let y'all know and announce it on my show and on Facebook Live and on YouTube, you know? Okay? All right. All right. So, I mean, sometimes when it's raining in New Orleans, it's raining in. Yep, always my friend. Yep. Okay. So anyway, I wish one day they could come visit Domino. You know, when I get a girl and stuff like that, we'll stay friends. Long as my girl don't be insecure. You know, I don't like a woman that's insecure and don't trust Domino. You know. Well, like I say, you know, there's some insecure men. You know. I don't know why I'm talking about that on my show, and I'm supposed to be talking about the weather, you know? Huh. So here we go. All right. I wish Sherelle would have appeared on my show, but Siobhan, I wish she would have. Well, if Siobhan already appeared on my show, you know, I'm talking about a girl named Siobhan. There's a lot of Siobhans I know. 3 as far as I know. Okay. Siobhan from New Orleans appeared on my show, you know. She appeared on my show in 2013, you know. I'm glad she did though, you know. She live in Houston, Texas now, you know. While all this rain coming down, sing that Ashanti song, "Rain on me, won't you take this pain from me?" Well, I will go on the back, but it's blocked off. Let me check my back door. All right, I check my back door. Make sure everything is stop the water. Yeah, because the water's leaking. Well, I do want to go help her out, you know. All right, so I'm a. All right. So anyway, I must say I miss my friend Kirsten too. You know, she introduced me to Tanya. Because of Kirsten, she the reason why me and Tanya got so close. You know, even though we split up and all, she'll always be my friend though. Well, we were together because of the Lord, you know. Wish I could have moved out here. I don't know if she would have liked New Orleans. I would have to teach her to catch the bus, you know. I don't know if she would have liked being out here, you know. But I wasn't thinking about that, you know. Thought she would be homesick and cry a lot. Well, that's how the cookies crumble. That's definitely how the cookies crumble. If I'd have known New Iberia was gonna change a lot, you know. My friend Lionel, do y'all remember Lionel Boudreaux? That was my second guest on my show. Do y'all remember him? Y'all remember him? He told me New Iberia haven't been the same since since I left, you know. Yeah, New Iberia haven't been the same since I left, you know. And I know it still floods out there when it rains, you know. I'm surprised the pumps is working good out here. Was that lightning? Yep. Well, I would name this vlogging in the rain if I was out somewhere else, you know. If I was out somewhere else, I'd name this vlogging in the rain. But I'm not vlogging in the rain though. I was at Duncan Plaza in UNO a couple of weeks ago, you know. Yeah. Well, about to stop this live stream. Okay, I'll see y'all on the next one, and I'm gonna flip this sideways. Okay, all right.